Alfred.
I saw, Sam. Initial scans indicate that the craft is unmanned and being controlled remotely.
Weapons lock deactivated.
Come on then, hero! Let's see if you can keep up with me!
On it, but I'm gonna need a couple minutes.
Mind it, Nora. These two were lucky. Scarecrow's forces have murdered the other workers.
Bastards.
Take them back to GCPD.
All remaining units, final evacuation.
Rattler forces engaged in the loading bay. New Diamondbacks in support.
I'm watching.
Offensive capability way beyond expectation.
He's been busy.
You've got contact. Enemy contact. Outside the tunnel. Suggest immediate exfil,
Where is the Arkham Knight?
Oh, you won't find him! You think I didn't know you were tracking my broadcast location? Here's a lesson, Batman. I know how you think, which means I know how to beat you.
Where is he?
With Barbara Gordon. She's ours now. Can you imagine what the Knight's going to do to her? What are you doing? No! You can't do this!
Where is he?
He's gone to see the little man, the Penguin. He supplied the safe houses for the attack. The Knight's gone to pay him for his services. That's it! That's all I know!
Remember something else?
He uses a refrigeration company as a front. The trucks distribute weapons throughout the city.
What's it called?
North! North Refrigeration!
Thank you.